For the first part of this problem, it's asking that given that the practice time was long, determine the exact probability that Felipe wins the next match. So Felipe winning in a long practice time is 12. So the probability is 12 out of, well, however many total competitions Juan and Felipe played. So the total amount of long practice times was 15 plus 12, which is 27. So we'll call this the probability that Felipe wins long. Let's say FL. And we can also simplify 12 over 27 to be 4/9. Now for the next part of the question, it's asking us to determine whether or not the two events Felipe wins and long practice time are independent. So to figure that out, we need to figure out the probability of each and compare, because if they are equal, then they are independent. So the probability of Felipe winning, let's label that as P of F. So to figure that out, they're talking about the total amount of time Felipe wins in both short and long practice time. So Felipe won 22 times. And then to figure out the total number of matches, we would add all four of these numbers up together. 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 plus 15 is 45. So that's the probability of Felipe winning. So because that is not the same as the probability of Felipe winning long practice time, we can conclude that the events are not independent. And by the way, it also makes sense that these two events that they're describing are dependent, because whether or not Felipe wins does depend on whether or not they're doing long practice time. He doesn't win an equal amount of times between short and long practice. So that's kind of a bit of a giveaway as well. Anyway, that's all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.